And for our tartar sauce, we just need a couple of ingredients. You're going to need mayonnaise, some dill, either an onion or a shallot. You can use whole pickles or a pickle relish, lemon, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Let me show you how to make it. So let's start by zesting our lemon. Citrus zest adds a nice pop of citrus without adding acidity, and the acidity is what makes it bitter. Place that in our bowl, roll out our lemon, and give it a squeeze. We'll take our dill and chop through it. I like to remove the woody parts, the thicker parts, and just get the tender leaves.
Dill was thought by first century Romans to be a good luck charm. Dill can grow up to 3 feet, and it's really good with vegetables and meats. When it's raw, it has its most fragrant addition to our food. By cooking it, the fragrance dissipates rather quickly. So you want to use it fresh. It's really good with salmon. It's really good with fish dishes. Goes good in butters for vegetables. You should also try dill with cilantro and mint.
And there we have our chopped dill. Now we can mince our shallot. We'll go ahead and remove that part and get this guy flat. We'll do the same over on this side, kind of removing the core so that we can lay that down flat. And now you just want to chop that very close, very fine. Then you can turn it and chop through it this way. And there we have our minced shallot. Now let's go ahead and dice through our pickle.
This is a pickled cucumber, but you can pickle pretty much any vegetable. Some tartar sauce recipes will call for using capers, or you can use a pickle of your choice. It just helps to add some acidity, brightness, and then a little bit of crunch from the vegetable.
And there we have our diced pickle. For our tartar sauce, we will need about a cup of mayonnaise. Choose your favorite kind. You'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced pickles or a pickle relish. A lot of people use a sweet relish. I prefer a dill relish. We'll do about a tablespoon of minced shallots or onions. We're gonna add our fresh minced dill. You can use dry. A little parsley in there is also good. I've got about a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, about the same with salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add a couple of teaspoons of lemon juice and zest. If you like it spicy, you can add some red pepper flakes or some hot sauce. Add a dash of the W sauce. Let's give it a mix. Now on this one, it's best if you let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour so the flavors can combine.